How to change AirAsia flight destination. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change AirAsia flight destination. First of all, open the web browser. Now search here AirAsia. After getting into the site, you can log in or sign up to AirAsia by clicking on the login or sign up button. Tap on the chat with Bo icon and click to start a new chat. Click on select from travel block and choose the AirAsia flight option. Then go into the flight info block and choose the booking changes option. After that, click on flight change. They will tell you the process to change the flight. You can follow the steps for changing your flight. Tap on yes to proceed the request. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.